Welcome again to Advanced Chemistry, Chemistry 2 with Pastor Dan. We're going to practice today the titrations. I only actually going to give you two titrations, one the old way and one the new way. And we're going to do three other ones from before just to practice those through. And you do need the appendix value, which I have right down here for the Ka values. So when we go through these, I want you to pause the video, work through these. Determine the hydrogen ion hydroxide pH and pOH of 0.01987 molar selenic acid. And that's a strong acid, so you don't have to worry about any Ka values. The second time, find the hydrogen ion hydroxide pH and pOH with 0.007899 molar acetic acid. And here is acetic acid, the Ka value, 1.8 times 10 minus fifth. Number three, calculate the pH of a solution of 0.11855 molar nitrous acid and 0.8855 molar sodium nitrite. Nitrous acid is right over here. Oh, a little higher up there. Nitrous acid is 4.5 times 10 minus fourth. All right. And then the two that we're looking at, identify the concentration of calcium hydroxide titrated with 30.00 milliliters of acetic acid with 0.2855 molar hydrochloric acid. If the initial volume is 15.00 milliliters and the final volume is 37.08. And then lastly, what is the concentration of benzenoic acid? Benzenoic acid is right there, 6.3 times 10 minus fifth. If it is titrated with 0.0500 molar sodium hydroxide, the total titration of base of 1.28 milliliters. All right, so pause it, work through it. Any questions, ltswpd@gmail.com. Remember, like, subscribe, share, comment. I will try to refer back. All right, ready? Here are the answers. Pause them, look through them. Any questions, let me know. Hopefully not too bad. Take care, be good. Bye.
And God bless.